Good morning, student. How are you? I am Vijayashada from Techno India Group Public School, Bhopal. Today we will discuss about Chapter 3, Fair Play. Fair play means give the right judgment or equal treatment of the both on the side according to the rules. Now, this chapter is about two friends who were very good friends, and their name were Jumman and the Algu Chaudhary. But due to some misunderstanding, their friendship had been broken. Now let us start. Jumman Singh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Jumman Singh and Algu Chaudhary were fast friends, and the bondship of their relationship was so much that if one of them had to went out from the village, the other looked after his family. अगर कोई उनकी फ्रेंडशिप इतनी अच्छी थी, इतनी मजबूत थी कि अगर कोई एक को गांव से बाहर जाना होता था तो दूसरा उनकी फैमिली की लुक आफ्टर करता था, देखभाल करता था. Jumman had an old aunt who has some property. This she has transferred to him on understanding that she would stay with him and look after her. Jumman had an old aunt who was very old and no one was in her family. So she transferred her all property to Jumman, and she thought that Jumman and his wife will look after her very carefully. So she would stay with him and would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. 1 or 2 years, Jumman and his wife take care of her very carefully. But after some years, the situation was totally changed. जो 1-2 साल तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से उनकी सेवा की, लेकिन 1-2 साल बाद पूरी जो सिचुएशन की स्थिति वो चेंज हो गई. Jumman and his family were tired of the old lady. Jumman became as indifferent of her as wife, who grudged even the little food and that old lady wanted every day. So after some time, their behavior toward an old aunt totally changed, and when she even not they didn't give her food how much she needed. So every time they insulted her, she swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. This situation going on many days, and she swallowed means make food to make food go down through the heart. मतलब इंसल्ट भरा खाना वो अपने जैसे तैसे उसको खा पाती थी. And for a few months it will be going on in the same situation, but patience has its limit. But you know how much she can tolerate. So patience has its limit. मतलब patience means कुछ सहने की शक्ति की सीमा होती है. After some time, one day she spoke to Jumman, either you beg my property to me or you kindly give me monthly allowance. Monthly allowance मतलब you provide me monthly some money in my house, in my hand. या तो तुम मुझे प्रॉपर्टी वापस दे दो या फिर मुझे मंथली कुछ भी आप पैसे देते रहिए जिससे कि मैं अपना खाना खुद बना सकूं और अपनी केयर खुद कर सकूं. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient. So Jumman replied him कि be patient. My wife know how to run his house. कि मेरी वाइफ को मालूम है कि कैसे घर चलाना है. थोड़ा सा सब्र रखो. For many days, old lady was seen talking to villager, explaining her case. When it's going on for many months, then after some time, she went to the villager. An old lady went to the villagers and explaining her case and told them about herself. She explained them whatever is going on with her. तो some sympathize with her. कुछ ने उसको बहुत सहानुभूति दिखाई. While some while other person laugh at her. कुछ उसके बारे में सुन के हंसने लगे. At last she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. At last, to whom she go? At last she went to Algu Chaudhary, who was Jumman's fast friend. And she told all things about herself to Algu and asked her for fair play, for fair judgment. Algu said, "Is it right, my son, to give mum not see what you consider just and fair?" She asked her, I don't want that you say you go against your friend, but I want judgment. You have to say only just and fair. मतलब you have to only tell the right things in the panchayat. Where did the old lady come to panchayat and speak the truth? You have to come. She asked to Algu, you have to come only in the panchayat and have to say the truth. तुम्हें इसी पंचायत में आके सही बोलना है. She said Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ear. Algu didn't reply that time, but whatever she said, whatever she told to Algu, all words were ringing in his ear. जो भी उसने बताया था वो उसके कानों में सब गूंजने लगा. And the panchayat was held. And the same evening under an old banyan tree. And after some time, the panchayat was held under the banyan tree. And the voice of Jumman stood up and said, the voice of panchayat is the voice of God. Then Jumman told her, the voice of the panchayat is जो पंचायत की जो आवाज़ होती है वो भगवान की आवाज़ होती है. जो भी वो बोलेगा वो ऐसा लगेगा कि हमने God is saying something. So God never tell lie. The panchayat know neither friend or enemy. In front of panchayat there is no friend and there is no enemy. पंचायत के सामने ना कोई दोस्त होता है ना कोई दुश्मन होता है. Only he have to give the right judgment. पंचायत को सिर्फ अपना निर्णय देना होता है. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship and with Jamman, said the Algu. Now when the villager asked her to whom you would be want to be a punch, then she replied, I want Algu would be stand as a punch. कि Algu को पंच की जगह खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. Then Algu said to her, why Chachi you want? You know I and Jumman are fast friend. तुम जानती हो कि मैं और जुम्मन फास्ट रन है. स्पाइट ऑफ दिस यू आर स्टैंडिंग मी एज अ पंच. उसके बाद भी तुम मुझे पंच के लिए खड़ा कर रही हो. आई नो रिप्लाइड द आंट, बट आई ऑल्सो नो दैट यू विल नॉट किल योर कॉन्साइंस फॉर द सेक ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप. मैं ये भी जानती हूँ कि तुम अपने अंदर की अंतरात्मा, कॉन्साइंस पता अंदर की अंतरात्मा को अपनी फ्रेंडशिप के पीछे नहीं मारोगे. यू विल गिव मी फेयर जजमेंट. God live in the heart of the punch. She told her कि पंच के हृदय में हमेशा भगवान विराजमान रहते हैं. ऑलवेज गॉड विराजमान रहते हैं. एंड द वॉइस ऑफ द पंच इज द वॉइस ऑफ गॉड. जो भी पंच के माउथ से निकलता है वो गॉड की वॉइस होती है, गॉड की आवाज़ होती है. शी एक्सप्लेन हर केस. फिर ऑल बोथ जुम्मन एंड हिज आंट टोल्ड होल केस टू द अलगू. उन्होंने दोनों ने जुम्मन को बताया. Then Jumman 3 years ago began Jumman, my aunt transferred her property to me. Jumman told him that my aunt transferred me all property and I promised her to look after him. 3 साल पहले उन्होंने मुझे अपनी प्रॉपर्टी ट्रांसफ़र की थी और मैंने उनसे प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं आपकी अच्छे से देखभाल करूँगा. They have a couple, but उसके पीछे हमारी दोनों कपल में और आंट के पीछे लड़ाई होने लगी। देयर हैड बीन अ कपल ऑफ मतलब हम दोनों के बीच में लड़ाई होने लगी। नाउ माई आंट इज क्लेमिंग, अब मेरी आंट मुझसे बोल रही है, क्लेमिंग मतलब बोल रही है, इधर यू गिव मी मंथली अलाउंस और बैक माई प्रॉपर्टी, या तो मुझे मंथली अलाउंस दो या फिर मेरी प्रॉपर्टी को वापस दो। दैट्स ऑल आई हैव टू से। उसने जुम्मन सेड दिस वर्ड एंड से आई हैव टू से नथिंग, दैट्स ऑल। Then Jumman was cross-examined by Algu another. Now all the person who was sitting at that time in the punch, they cross-examined to the Jumman words and the aunt word, and they give their decision that either Jumman have to pay monthly allowance to aunt or the back her property, या तो आप उसकी प्रॉपर्टी वापस दीजिए या फिर आपको उसको मंथली अलाउंस देना ही होगा। Now the two friends were seldom seen together, and the bond of the friendship between them was broken. Now इस judgment के बाद their bond of the friendship was broken, मतलब उनकी जो friendship थी इस judgment के बाद टूट गई। Now Jumman is always looking for the revenge. Jumman हमेशा बदला लेने की उससे सोचने लगा। After some time they passed, and all as a ill luck would have been, Algu Chaudhary found himself in the tight spot. Now after some day passed and after some time situation became totally changed, and Algu Chaudhary was suffering from many have to face many problems, and one of his fine pair of bullock, उनकी जो बुलक मतलब जो बैलगाड़ी के बैल होते हैं उनमें से वन बुलक वॉज टाइड, एक मर गया, एंड ही सोल्ड अनदर बुलक टू साहू, उसने दूसरा जो बुलक था वो साहू को बेच दिया। एंड व्हेन ही आस्क्ड मनी फ्रॉम साहू, देन ही रिप्लाइड हिम दैट आई विल गिव यू इन द लास्ट ऑफ द मंथ, मैं तुम्हें मंथ के लास्ट में पैसे दे दूंगा। बट मैनी मंथ पास एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम सेकेंड बुलक आल्सो डाइड, जो सेकेंड बैल था वो भी मर गया। एंड when Algu asked for him money, जब अलगू ने उससे पैसे मांगे, then he denied that your bullock had died. I have nothing, मेरे पास I have no bullock of you, मुझे पास आपका कोई भी बुलक नहीं है। How can I pay you money, मैं तुम्हें पैसे क्यों पे करूँ? Then he said angrily, no money for the dead blood, उस मरे हुए ब्लड के लिए मैं कोई भी मनी आपको नहीं दूंगा। He said, उसने गुस्से में बोला। Now Algu decided to refer the case in the panchayat. Then after some Algu had decided to refer his case in the panchayat, and again panchayat was called under the banayan tree, उसी बनायन ट्री के नीचे फिर से पंचायत बुलाई गई। एंड दिस टाइम जब जुम्मन वाज स्टैंड एज अ पंच, दिस टाइम साहू सेलेक्ट जुम्मन साहू बिकॉज साहू न्यू अबाउट देयर फ्रेंडशिप, so he stand him as a punch after when Shahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. Algu heard son and turned pale. When Shahu selected Jumman as a punch, now Algu face turned pale, क्योंकि वो जानता था कि वो उसके बदला लेगा। Then the moment Jumman became head punch. Now at that moment, now Jumman became a head punch, and he realized his responsibility. Now when he stand as a judge, he realized his responsibilities, and in his heart he stated that high place and his revenge now. He thought and thought. No, he must not allow his personal feeling to come in the way of speaking and truth and doing justice. When he stand as a judge, then he not allowed his personal feeling to come in the way of speaking truth. उसने जब वो एज ए जज खड़ा हुआ तो उसको लगा कि कि अगर मैं झूठ बोलूँगा तो मैं भगवान को धोखा दूंगा। And now the voice of the punch will be the voice of the God. So he decided that he will speak he will speak truth. Both Algu and Saul stated their case. Both Algu and Saul both Algu and Saul told their matter, whatever happened to them. And after hearing all things, after hearing पूरी बातें सुनने के बाद, Jumman decided, now it suffered from no disability or disease. The death of Bullock was unfortunate. Shaul should pay Algu the price of the bullock. Now Jumman had decided, when he heard all the story, that after hearing the story, he decided that Saul have to pay money. Saul have to pay money without the price of the bullock, because when he sold his bullock to Saul, they were not suffered from any disabilities or any disease. जब उन्होंने उस बुलक को उसको बेचा था, तब ना उनको कोई बीमारी थी और ना ही उन्हें कोई कमी थी. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, and the bullock was unfortunately died. वो तो अचानक ही वो बुलक खत्म हुआ है. So it is but Algu cannot be blamed. इसके लिए हम Algu को blame नहीं कर सकते हैं. Algu could not contain his feelings, and he stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory of the Panchayat." Now Algu could not control himself. He stand and shouted again and again, the victory of the Panchayat. कि पंचायत की आज विजय हुई, क्योंकि पंचायत की जो this is a justice, आज न्याय हुआ है. God live in the voice of Panchayat. Now I realize now always God live in the voice of the Panchayat. उसी जब आज सही जजमेंट मिला तो उसे रियलाइज हुआ कि पंच की वॉइस में हमेशा गॉड रहता है, और द गॉड इज ऑलवेज लिव्ड इन द वॉइस ऑफ पंच. एंड they became soon after Jumman came to Algu and embraced him, and they both of them stand up, and Algu and Jumman embraced means they hug, मतलब एक दूसरे को गले लगाया. Embraced him and said, "Since the last Panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realize what is meant to be a Panch." Then Jumman told him, "In the last Panchayat, we both of us became enemy. But today, when I stand as a Panch, जब मुझे आज मैं पंच की जगह पे खड़ा हुआ, तो मुझे पता चला कि पंच क्या होता है. At that time you have also given right judgment. He know only justice. Let no one divert from path of the justice and choose for the friendship or the enemy." तो जब हम पंच की जगह पे खड़े होते हैं, तो हम अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से, जो हमारा न्याय है, हमें सही न्याय ही देना होता है. हम अपनी जगह से अपनी वॉइस को चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. Algu embraced his friend and wept, and his tear washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. Now both of them hugged himself, embraced himself. Both Algu impressed or hugged his friend, and they became cry, and tear that come in their eyes wash away all the misunderstanding, whatever misunderstanding between them. And this story is of the fair play. Is clear? So fair play means to give a right judgment. When you stand as a punch, the voice of the God is always come out from your mouth. Thank you. Have a nice day.